Brushing with braces is a little different than brushing without the braces. Now you have all of these little attachments on the teeth that you have to brush around, and it's really important that you do brush around them so that you don't get plaque, and plaque causes cavities. So when you take your toothbrush, yes, you do want to brush on the braces, so you can put your toothbrush on the braces and you can brush them and keep them nice and shiny and clean. But some other areas that you'll want to focus on is come right up here on the gums, okay? Because that's where a lot of people miss, is that tooth surface right around up above the brackets and between the gums. So you actually have to sit your toothbrush up there on the top, and you just go in a little circular motion and you'll work your way all the way to the back. Now you'll want to pay really close attention to the braces that have the hooks. Those are there for wearing rubber bands. So food will get lodged and caught underneath those areas. So you'll want to make sure that you get your brush up underneath the hooks and sweep underneath there and get the food out. Now also, you do want to brush on the edges of your teeth. You know, so make sure you get your toothbrush around on the edges and on the back sides of your teeth. Now there's another really important area to brush, and that's under the wire, in between each brace. And to do that with your big brush, it's a little hard. I mean, you could try, but it's just really hard to get the bristles to go up underneath there. So we're going to give you a little brush that looks like this. Now you can bend it if you want to, that makes it a little bit easier. But you'll take this brush and you'll go up underneath the wire, just like that. And you can just brush up and down in between the brackets and underneath the wire, and you'll move it over and go to the next spot, just like that. Now you can also use this little brush to get underneath your hooks if you need to. You can slide it underneath the hooks, and that'll help get into the really tight areas where the big brush has a hard time reaching. If you have springs on your wires, yes, you do want to brush the coil springs and keep the food out that might get trapped in there. And then also way back in the back around the molars, you can also use this little brush to brush way back there, you know, underneath the wire and in all the little tight spots that you may have.